Hi, I hope you are fine, and today I want to show you how to create or make a banner for social media like this: Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google Plus, YouTube. Here is a YouTube cover and video artwork. So let's start it. I have some sample files for you just for hints. So here is a PSD file for Photoshop, and my Photoshop is CC 2018. So first I drag this file in Photoshop. Loading, please wait. Reading Photoshop format. Okay, you see here in layer area, here you see many groups of layers. First is blog, fashion, shop, goods and events. Here are five groups, and our groups have many banners. For example, I extract this file 1 2 3 4 5, and here is last 25. That's mean 25 banners in this group. So I show you, click, and you see here in post, and you see different designs of banners. You can adjust one by one, you can change everything, you can adjust your own color, own choice, or you can write on your content. For example, this is a banner for secret behind great nature photography. For example, I rename this, I write a name. You import your own image here, and okay, so I extract next group. Here is fashion, so click on fashion, and you see, Control Z for undo, and you see here banners about fashion are trending, summer, etc, hairstyle, fashion everyday. So I click on this. You adjust your own image here. For example, I delete this and open new image. Here is no related for fashion, but I tell you just for example, cancel, and you can adjust your own choice. Okay, and enter, and then right click here and create clipping mask. You see this picture inserted in banner. So I tell you again, press Z for undo. You see here these picture are large, this banner, and click on image, right click here, create clipping mask, and this picture insert in this banner. So you click on banner, BG mean background, double click here, and select any color here, dress, or here laptop, cop color, or hand color, pen color. If you like, you can adjust more color. For example, here is red color or sky blue. Second option is gradient overlay. You can apply gradient overlay for more better design like this. Enter, and change color, like white color is better. Okay, you see this design is completely changed. And same here, you can adjust your own image. Right X, here is, you can change any image, and right click, create clipping mask like this, you see here, and open a third folder of shop. Click on shop, final sales, iPhone, hot sale, hot discount of the week. Why? Wow, final sale. For example, you can change color, select this color, top and bottom. So I'm gonna change bottom color is full white, and top color is full red. Okay, and I wanna insert an image in circle, in this circle, so I open image for this and convert it in row resolution in 300. Drag here. Now increase some. Okay, and right click, create clipping mask, and you see this image in insert, font art deleted. Okay, you can change it everything. These are image, voxel, import your own image here, and change color. Double click on circle, right, blue, sky blue, or black color, depend on your own self. Second option is overlay. You can apply overlay for more better design. Okay, so I open this file. Third file is quotes showing. Wow, you can write your own quotes, or you can write on your advice for everyone. The soul is the truth of who we are. Wow, you can change color. I know you better know, I have already tell you. And you can apply entrance overlay like this, enter, and I change something. Work hard. Work hard beats talent. Wow, life is not easy. You can write your own text, I tell you, just for example. And last is events. So I zoom out, and you see, scroll down here, you see events, any event, fresh and clear. Wow, you can change any image and select any color. Wow, and you can see here, coffee shop opening on Sunday at 6 p.m. Good. Learn how to become model in 5 easy way. Wow, summer. You can write your own text, but here is 2021, not 2017. Okay, after a COVID-19 sessions. Wow, current cookies. Good. Old film festival. Good. 26 September 2017, Caravan Studio AI, or I think Australia. Events, you can write your own text. I know you can do better. You change color, you can apply any image, insert this image, for example, night gallery. Open this and drag here, right click, create clipping mask. You see, and sorry for my system sounds, fan sounds. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe our channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.